Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python and Java. First, decide which language aligns best with your initial goals, as Python is often recommended for beginners due to its readability. Start by understanding core programming concepts like variables, loops, and functions in your chosen language. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to coding exercises to build a strong foundation. Consistency is key to grasping the basics effectively and moving forward confidently. Once you have the basics down, dive into data structures like lists in Python or arrays in Java. Understanding object-oriented programming, or OOP, is crucial for both languages, enabling you to write more organized and reusable code. Work through common algorithms to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Aim to complete at least 5 small coding challenges each week to reinforce your learning and apply new concepts. Now it's time to apply your knowledge by building projects. Start with simple applications, perhaps a basic calculator or a text-based game, to solidify your understanding. As you progress, consider contributing to open-source projects. This offers invaluable real-world experience and collaboration. Document your projects thoroughly and create a portfolio to demonstrate your skills to potential employers. This practical application is vital for growth. To truly advance, delve into frameworks like Django for Python or Spring Boot for Java, which streamline development for complex applications. Think about specializing in areas such as web development, data science, or mobile app creation to focus your expertise. Continuous learning is essential in programming, so always seek new challenges and keep your skills sharp. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.